Hi guys, I'm Salika Jane Morales. Today I will show you the 3 ways on how to lifting, holding, and burping the baby. Let's proceed. Perform the proper hand hygiene. Let's proceed to lifting and holding the baby. Cradle hold. Lap hold. Hip hold. Let's proceed to burping the baby. Shoulder hold. Face down on your lap.